What are our percentage chances of making it, do you think, going at 2 knots?
Well, I would have said if there's wind, significant wind, I would have said you won't do it. You'll get exhausted because you will try to beat that wind. So you won't try to go at 2 knots. You'll try to go as fast as you can, and like trying to do a marathon and you're running it fast and you're doing your 100-metre sprint the whole way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then after 400 metres you collapse, right? You don't do that. You won't achieve it. So the wind is going to kill you, I'd have thought, unless you've got some really clever design for your pedalo to get rid of the aerodynamic effects. Okay.
No, I think it's more, the design at the moment is more based on enticing families to want to go out on a lake and waste 20 quid.
What's the cheapest shape we can make in China?
So the thing that you're going to be up against is the wind.
Yeah.
I think that's your elephant in the room.
Yeah.
Because if the wind is going much, much faster than you can pedal, then you're just going to be taken away by the wind.
What are our percentage chances of making it, do you think, going at 2 knots?
Well, if it's if it's 15-knot winds, you won't do it.
But we're
Which
so
means-
excited. Is excitement a factor here?
It will be for the first hour.
Can I do an equation for you?
There you go.
Is it not true that
See, I knew the word not.
is excitement equals men times cycled squared? Boom.
Exhaustion is equal to Mediterranean
Yes.
Sea,
Yeah.
the Mediterranean
Sea,
Sea,
squared.
with 2 idiots.
And that's a big C. Okay. Well, we're all coming at it from different angles, I guess.
This is the angle I reckon here. I reckon it's nearly 90 degrees, okay?
So,
Actually, 90
Okay.
degrees. The temperature of the sea is about 24 degrees. By the time you guys get pedaling, it's going to be 90 degrees.
We're going to cook a lot of fish.
okay, so we need to change the direction we head out at, depending on the wind.
Yeah, absolutely.
What other factors other than the wind?
Okay, there's ocean currents as well. Okay, now, it's the sea currents. So what I'll do is I'll just clear this off with my...
Sure.
Is there a chance the current will take us in the opposite direction to the wind and they just cancel each other out?
Yes.
That's what we're after.
Yeah.
Right, so this is kind of an experiment which we can do with a little vehicle like this, okay? And we can imagine that this is Spain and this is Africa. Supposing we have water currents which do this, okay?
Yeah, we're missing Africa.
You're missing Africa, right?
Yeah.
So what do you have to do to avoid missing Africa? You have to point. Then, by the time you get there, you're in the right place.
Bingo bango.
Okay, my friends, this is Africa.
Is that Africa?
You have to go straight to the mountain, the big mountain.
We're heading.
Oh! Yes! That's Africa, baby. That's where it all began. It's off Spain. Tell me if you think this would be a great line. Oh, Andy! You all right? Whoa! Oh no! Oh jeez, the whole pedal's off. Hang on. It's not a good idea to be here if you cannot move. Ah!
Captain's log. Andy's trying to mate with the seagull or an albatross.